In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style your Notion workspace so it looks clean, organized, and easy to use. A well-designed workspace is not just about appearance. It also helps you find information faster, stay focused, and make your pages feel more enjoyable to work in every day. The goal here is to create a simple, consistent style that makes your Notion setup feel intentional without becoming cluttered. Start by choosing a basic theme or aesthetic for your workspace. This could be minimal, cozy, professional, colorful, or anything else that fits the way you like to work. Try to keep it simple because the more consistent your style is, the more polished your pages will feel. This theme will guide the rest of your design choices, from colors to icons to page structure. Next, add matching cover images to your important pages. Cover images help give each page a visual identity, and when they follow a similar look or color palette, your workspace feels much more connected. You do not need anything overly detailed here. Clean, simple covers usually work best, especially if you want your pages to feel neat and professional. After that, use icons or emojis to make pages easier to recognize. This is a small touch, but it makes a big difference when you are scanning your sidebar or dashboard. Choose icons that match the purpose of each page, and if possible, keep the icon style somewhat consistent so everything feels unified. Then move on to text formatting. Use headings to separate sections clearly and use bold text to draw attention to important words or key details. Colors can help highlight information, but use them carefully so the page stays readable. Dividers are also helpful for breaking up sections and giving the page a cleaner, more structured look. You can also add callouts for highlights, reminders, or important notes. Callouts are useful because they naturally stand out from the rest of the page. They are great for key instructions, deadlines, quick tips, or anything you want to notice right away. Just be careful not to overuse them, or they lose their impact. Next, improve the layout by using columns and spacing to make the page easier to read. A page with too much text in one long block can feel overwhelming. Columns help organize content side by side, and spacing gives each section room to breathe. This makes the page feel more balanced and easier to navigate. Finally, review your overall style across your pages. Make sure your covers, icons, formatting, and layouts feel consistent. That final check helps your Notion workspace look complete, thoughtful, and easy to maintain over time.